Hello everyone, my name is EISAKU. I'm Japanese. Thank you for watching the video. ありがとうございます。Today's short video following the Happy Birthday to Me video. This time, it's about cleaning the sink in the bathroom. I'm going to use the products that many people posted on YouTube not too long ago called Bubbloon. It's a shocking and revolutionary item. I'm going to use it as soon as I can because it's a long story up front. Let's go. Here's a sink in my bathroom. It's faster to see it in action than to explain it. Shake it 10 times. Lock. Open. Then push it towards the hole in the drain. And push. It's amazing. I've heard that the foam comes back when it's dirty, but it wasn't as dirty as I thought it would be. So you've got 4 years of dirt out of it. The foam was left on for 30 minutes and then flushed out, and that was it. That was easy. Plus, it smelled good. I'm sure many of you have already tried it. But if you haven't tried it, you should give it a try. That's all for this time. If you think it might be useful, please like and subscribe. See you!